Knee replacement. Introduction. The bones in the knee joint are covered by tissue called cartilage or meniscus. Select true or false. Correct. The smooth surface of the meniscus allows for painless movement at the knee joint. Arthritis causes the surfaces of the knee joint to become rough. Select true or false. Correct. This can result in severe pain and loss of motion. Knee replacement is a safe procedure. Select true or false. Correct. Knee replacement is a safe procedure, but complications could happen. You need to know about them just in case they happen. Thank you for using Explain.